Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Swiggy, Food, Instamart and Dineout app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Swiggy is a leading on-demand delivery app in India that offers a wide range of services, from restaurant food delivery and quick grocery shopping via Instamart, to table bookings and dining offers through Dineout. Available on both iOS and Android, Swiggy provides convenience for users who want everything from meals to essentials delivered fast and reliably. The app's main feature is its food delivery network, which connects users to thousands of restaurants across cities. With Instamart, you can order groceries, snacks, and daily items delivered to your doorstep in minutes. The Dineout integration allows users to discover restaurants, reserve tables, and even get cashback or discounts while dining out. Swiggy also includes live order tracking, in-app chat support, and multiple payment options for a seamless experience. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise Swiggy for its fast delivery, easy-to-use interface, and wide restaurant selection. The Instamart service is especially loved for delivering groceries quickly, often within 10 to 15 minutes. Swiggy's expansion into Dineout bookings has also made it a versatile lifestyle app for food lovers. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report high delivery fees during rush hours, occasional delays, or limited restaurant availability in smaller towns. Additionally, delivery charges and surge pricing can vary depending on distance and demand. In summary, the Swiggy app may be worth using if you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one food and grocery delivery platform with the added convenience of Dineout deals. However, if you live in an area with fewer restaurant partners or prefer lower delivery costs, you might want to explore alternatives. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.